are you?
Hello, thank you for asking. I'm very well.
Good, that's great. My name's Rose. What's your name?
My name is Ahmed.
Ahmed. Nice to meet you, Ahmed.
It's nice to meet you. Wows,
Rose.
as you pronounce it.
Rose. Yeah.
Wows. Yeah, I remember Leonardo DiCaprio when he called his beloved Kate Winslet in Titanic movie.
Yes.
when he called her like Rose, come here.
Rose. Yeah. The
Yeah.
R is not a R, it's a rose. Yeah.
Yeah, Rose.
Yeah. You like that film? Do you like the Titanic?
Yeah, I like it so much, and I have watched it many times.
Yeah, me too. I love Leonardo DiCaprio. He's my favorite.
Yeah. So, do you live now in UK?
Yeah, I live in England. Where do you live?
I live in Iraq.
In Iraq. Cool.
Yeah.
What's the weather like today in Iraq? Is it hot?
Yeah, very hot. Always very hot in the summer season.
Yeah.
The temperature is like 40, 45.
Wow. 45. Wow.
Yeah, sometimes higher of this, like 50, 55.
Wow. That is hot. Yeah, today it is 23 degrees in England, and English people think, oh, it's so hot. It's so hot. It's not.
They should come here in my country and saw the whole.
They just pass out. Yeah.
Yeah.
So how long have you been learning English for?
Almost 1 year here in Cambly.
Wow, you've very good pronunciation. And is there a reason? Are you studying, or you just want to improve?
Yeah, I want to improve my English language, speaking, listening, studying, pronunciation.
Yeah.
I think it's kind of hope for me. But I figure out maybe I can teach the student who is want to learn English, at least the beginners.
Yeah.
Because the education system is just focused on the grammar, and they don't focus on the conversational skills, which is very important if we want to learn the language, language.
Yeah, like the grammar is important when you are intermediate or advanced, but at beginner you just need to be able to communicate, really, don't you, and speak to each other and be understood. Yeah, that's good. Are you on any courses on Cambly? It says here today's lesson, cover letter part 2. Is that right?
You mean you see in your screen what?
It says cover letter part 2. But
no, I think Cambly these days suggest this.
Okay.
I don't know. I want to ask you about this, because is it normal? Because sometimes when I close the call with my tutor, I see topic like this, but we don't talk about this topic.
Yeah, well, it's completely up to you, because obviously they're your lessons, so you can, if you want, just practice talking and talk about whatever you want to discuss, or just natural.
Actually, I have a topic. I want to discuss this topic with you.
Yeah.
The topic is just like the phrases about wanna and gotta and gonna. Are you guys familiar with these phrases in UK or just in America?
You mean like wanna, gonna?
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand. They're more just slang phrases, I suppose.
Yeah.
So give me an example of when you would use wanna. Can you give me an example?
I want to make a reservation with British tutor.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah. So all you're doing is replacing, rather than saying I want to, you're just saying I wanna. And and the same with gonna. Can you think of an example? How would you use gonna in a sentence?
I'm going to fix my car.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix my car, and all it means.
So you guys like UK? Do you use this slang phrases in UK, England?
Yeah, I think we definitely use gonna. We 100% use gonna because it naturally, how we speak, it sounds, if you said going to very fast, you would say gonna. I was gonna do my homework, but I forgot. I was gonna take the dog for a walk, but I didn't want to. I wanna does sound more American. Like you would never be. I'd think of it if I said to a friend, I want to go to a shop. I would almost put an American accent on to say it. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. So you mean when you say it like I want to?
Yeah.
You pronounce the full phrase. Yeah, so if I mail a company, is it respectful when I use gonna, wanna, or?
Yeah, like you would use it maybe in speech, but if you were using it when you were writing it, you would only really use it, on like text message to your friends or Facebook or something like that, like a very informal setting. If you were wanting a job, you wouldn't put I'm gonna attach my resume or my CV. Like you just wouldn't.
You mean it's okay if I use it?
No, not in formal conversation. So not with in a business or something like that. You wouldn't write it.
I should use going to or want to.
Yeah.
So if I speak with my boss or with my teacher, is it okay or not respectful?
Not really respectful. If you had a very, very good relationship with your boss, if your boss was your friend, then maybe. But if your boss is just your boss, then no, you wouldn't use it. I'm going to. Yeah. It's more
so
between friends.
So but I remember I heard many presidents of the countries used these phrases in their speech.
Okay. Maybe they
like I'm wanna.
Is that like American? Yeah. I think maybe they do it because it is more natural to use in American language. But also maybe they do it because it sounds like they are trying to be friends with the country. Do you know what I mean? It sounds more.
I got it.
Yeah, like Barack Obama. I can imagine him being like, "I'm gonna tell you." Yeah, and
yeah. So if we make it like negative, how can we use it?
I'm gonna. You just say not. So I'm not gonna go, or I don't want to do that. So you just put the negative in front.
The negative. Yeah.
The same as if you were saying I don't want to or I'm not going to.
Yeah. So we have wanna and gonna, and the third phrase is gotta, I think.
I gotta, yeah.
I gotta. What's the full phrase of
I
gotta?
have got to. I have got to go, or I have got to take my dog for a walk. I have got to.
So, I have got to.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
But someone might say, I gotta. Again, that I think in America they would use that a lot, but in England it sounds American almost, you know? Yeah, it sounds like something an American would say, I gotta go.
Yeah, I gotta go.
I'm gonna go. Yeah, but an English person might say, I'm gonna go. I think in England, yeah, gonna is the one that is used the most. Gonna. But in America, wanna and gotta are also used as well.
So in England, I wonder if there is there is a phrases like this. You say it like wanna and gonna, but not the same. Another phrases.
Yeah, I'm trying to think. I don't think there is like the shortening of words, because you know, like if we say I would have, an English person would say I would have. So this is the shortening version, the second one. That is us already shortening it to I would have. And that could be used,
yeah.
That could be used with your boss or your friends, you know. It's not gonna, wanna and got to are very, very informal. So they're more like with friends, and Barack Obama has obviously used it to be more bring the country together maybe. But yeah, I would have or anything like that would be normal to use in everyday conversation. Yeah.
So I think you give me a full explanation of this situation.
That's good. That's very good.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
No problem. I have another lesson now, so I have to go.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay with me.
No problem.
You give me a full explanation, so it's okay. Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you.
No problem.